Welcome back to another video. We got a new special guest, Elsa.
The Queen of Arendelle.
Here to do a video with us. We are honored to have you on our video, Queen Elsa.
I'm the queen.
Yes. Wait.
Elsa,
Alright, so
we need your love to open the box.
we're back with another MunchPak.
Make sure to
Open
click the subscribe button for Elsa.
Woo!
Our first snack will be, say, Doritos.
Must see what country this is from. Doritos, pizza flavored Doritos. Pizza flavored Doritos.
Okay, here you go.
Try
Don't
it.
eat it. Oh, I guess, sure,
Try it.
eat it.
Ugh. Ugh. Is it good? No?
Okay, here you go. Big one for you. It smells bad. And then big one for me.
Tastes like pizza. Well, now, it actually tastes like nacho cheese Doritos. Here, you want to try another bite?
They don't taste that bad. They don't taste like anything.
Yeah. They are kind of spicy.
I don't like that.
Alright.
Can I have that?
Yeah. Next, we have our... Here, do this.
Fresh center-filled cupcake. It's a chocolate center-filled cupcake.
Colson, oven fresh cupcake, chocolate or banana, which this is chocolate. Oh, here, do this with it. This is the banana flavor. It is from Pakistan.
Let's try it. It tastes really good. Or Elsa, try some. No. It's good.
Elsa,
It's chocolate.
try some. It's chocolate
I don't want that. You got chocolate.
Here, I'll try.
The muffin actually tastes really good.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Want the banana one? You love manners. I don't want that. It's pretty much just banana.
Or plain muffin.
It doesn't taste the same.
It's a banana muffin. What is that? I'm trying.
Doesn't taste the same. Okay, apparently Elsa does not like banana or chocolate muffins. I like it.
It's Hello Kitty.
Queen Elsa will open this one.
Pie Teen Energy 99 rice cake.
Oh no. No.
Egg yolk flavor.
We've had rice flavored candy before. You guys should go check that out. And it's pretty disgusting.
Okay, you're gonna be the first one to try it, okay?
I'm trying to try it.
But it is
I
Hello
can't
Kitty.
try it. I can't try it. Hello Kitty pack. I can't try it.
It's from Taiwan.
Kitty, it's my kitty. You open it. You're gonna open it. You're gonna be the one to try it, and then after you try it, I'm gonna see what's inside of it. Because if there's rice inside of it, I might not
Hey,
eat
you
it.
try it. Like a Cheeto puff.
I'm just a princess. You want more? Bite it.
Ugh, that's so disgusting. It's got like cheese in the middle.
That's so good. Nutella! What's that?
Bready. Ha ha ha. Da-da. Shh.
That's mine.
Get it like be ready, but like.
I can try that.
That was really funny.
I can try that.
You try it first.
It is from Poland.
It looks weird and feels weird. Here, you hold it. Try it. It's Nutella with wafer.
I don't want it. You don't want it? No.
Are you
Okay,
sure?
Queen Elsa.
Oh my goodness.
Chocolate inside. It has chocolate inside.
And does it have a number?
The outside has a weird texture, but not bad. Not bad at all.
No, I don't want that. I want that.
Our last snack
Is Sour Patch Kids Sour Cherry Blasters.
I hear something.
Layton's gonna be, after he eats this, he's gonna be like,
Can I eat it?
from
Can I
Canada.
have
you open this.
it? Okay.
After 20 minutes later, like 20 minutes later, we finally got it open. You gonna try? Woo!
Oh my gosh, these things are so good.
Yeah, they're really good. Sour, but good. She agrees with us, they're good. Now we're gonna go over favorites, least favorites, and weirdest. I'll go first. My favorite is gonna have to be that chocolate muffin. That was so good. Least favorite, I'm gonna have to go with that rice stick. And the weirdest is gonna be the pizza flavored Doritos.
My favorite is the cherry sour Patch Kids. And then my least favorite was probably banana muffin. And the weirdest is the pizza Doritos. It's like a pizza inside a Dorito, and there's a bunch of them.
What was your favorite, Emmy?
What's
one
your
was your favorite?
This is my.
The Doritos were her favorite, she said. The pizza flavored Doritos.
You didn't like those?
Which one was disgusting? Ew.
Ew, which one was disgusting?
Those are yucky.
She said these are yucky. Oh, she said the pizza Doritos are weird, but they're her favorite. Alright guys, that concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed our special guest, Queen Elsa. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification.
So you always know when our next video is.
And we'll see you next time. Let's freeze them. Bye guys.
Bye.